This time around we're multiplying a number that's completely a regular number, just 10, and we're multiplying it by something that is purely an irrational number, a square root number, root 2. And the simple thing to do with these when you're multiplying a regular number by a square root is just to write them together. 10 root 2, and that's your answer. Now if you want a little explanation as to where it comes from, think about it like this. Think about it as though this was 10 times the square root of 1, this is your 10, times 1 times the square root of 2. This is the square root of 2. So then the outside numbers would be 10 times 1, so it would be 10 times 1. And the inside numbers would be 1 times 2, 1 times 2. Okay, so 10 times 1 is 10, 1 by 2 is 2. But in effect, what you're really going to do is you're just going to write the two pieces together. So 10 times the square root of 2 is just 10 root 2. So this is your answer here.